If you are using Keepa to just check the sales rank, then you are looking at just 10% of the picture. The tool isn't just a sales history graph, it is a crystal ball that tells you how profitable an item actually is, and more importantly, when the competition is about to crash the price. This tool is non-negotiable for FBA success. Today, I'm going to be diving into the 3 most powerful, most overlooked features of Keepa that LiveCops members use every day to secure profitable deals and avoid major cash traps. We're talking about avoiding the Keepa trap. So get your laptop ready, because this is about to be a masterclass in risk-free sourcing. So let's get into it. So first up, let me tell you about the new offer count trap. Whenever you're looking at Keepa graph, you want to be paying attention to this purple line down at the bottom, which shows you the new offer count. This is basically the amount of offers from sellers that are offering the item in a new condition. It basically tells you how much competition there is on the listing and how many sellers you're going to have to compete with to get this item sold. So you can see on this product here, you can see that the new offer count has been fairly stable. It's just trending around, 3 to 5 offers, and then suddenly, boom, there's loads and loads of sellers on this listing that you now have to compete with. Now, thankfully, it has stayed strong so far. No one on this listing is tanking like crazy, but there is a lot more sellers to compete with on this listing. So if you're looking at the Keepa graph and this is already the case, it means a lot of other people are already on that product. They've already beat you to it. And there's a good chance there could be more sellers inbound that are going to appear on the listing over the next few days to a week. If you see this sort of pattern, usually the one thing that follows is the price just going down. So you're probably going to want to avoid it. For a better example as well, over a longer period of time, you can see this product here. So this product was trending about £92 all the way up to £104, and then suddenly a million people appeared. Well, 170 offers on a single product. It's crazy. So this lead obviously got shared around too many different VAs and kind of sent around to too many different groups and stuff like that. And you can see the price absolutely cratered from all the way from 105 quid down to a low point of probably about 58 pounds. It was terrible. And as sellers have dropped off, you can see the price has started to recover a little bit, but this is over the course of months upon months. And if we actually zoom out over a long period of time, this was in January that this happened. The price didn't fully recover to where it was until about September, August sort of time. So we're talking about 8 months in total for this listing to recover. It is a huge amount of time to be waiting to get your kind of money out of that product. And so if you see that kind of explosion in sellers, you're gonna want to avoid the listing. Let me tell you about trap number 2, and that is not checking the buy box percentage on a listing. To get sales on Amazon, you gotta win the buy box. That is basically the little box you will see on the Amazon listing where it says add to cart and buy now. You want to be in that box so customers are getting your stock and you're getting that profit. On Keepa, you can easily see the percentage of what sellers are winning the buy box. You want to be looking for listings that have a good amount of shared buy box data. So that basically means there are lots of different sellers winning the buy box, and there's not basically just Amazon absolutely dominating the listing, taking all of the sales from you. So as you can see from this listing here, you can see that Amazon are winning the buy box about 56% of the time. And then we've got a whole bunch of other sellers that are also winning the buy box. This is what you want to see. You want to be seeing listings where Amazon is winning about 50% of the time or less. I would say up to the point of 70 to 80%, you're probably going to get some sales, but you're only going to be getting about, 10 to 20% of the sales that are actually viewable. Now, this listing is obviously a good example for buy box data, but if we have a look at this product here, you can see on this one, once we've gone into data and gone to buy box statistics, you can see that Amazon are winning the buy box on this product 100% of the time. So you're not even going to be getting sales 1% of the time. You're literally completely dominated by Amazon. And if you see a product like this, you definitely want to run for the hills, because it just means that unless you undercut them majorly, you're just never going to get any sales. And even if you undercut them, knowing Amazon, they're probably going to drop their price down with you, and you're both just going to be fighting a losing game. So basically, look for listings where Amazon is winning it about 50% of the time, or as low amount of a percentage as you possibly can get. Another statistic that you want to be checking is in the product details page on Keepa, and that is the amount of drops in sales rank over a certain time period. So you only really want to be buying listings that are dropping at least 30 times per month. As you can see here, the product on screen drops about 45 times per month. That essentially equates to about 45 units being sold each month of this product. When the sales rank drops, it basically means the product is sold. So roughly from that data, you can extrapolate this product is selling about 45 times per month. And unless there's a monthly sold indicator or something like that, this is going to be the best kind of guess you can get for how much a product is selling. So anything less than 30 means that it's not even selling once per day, and it's just a bit of a slow seller. And once you think about other competition on the listing, it's probably just going to be selling too slowly to really consider. In LiveCops, we're able to help you out with all of this, as well as all the other statistics that you see on screen now, so you get a really good idea of how to use this software to the fullest and how to ensure that the products you're buying aren't just going to lose you money. Keepa is the secret weapon for every profitable Amazon seller, and now you know the 3 most powerful metrics to be tracking. So stop guessing and start making data-driven decisions that generate hands-free wealth. If you found this tutorial helpful, imagine the kind of insights and deal alerts that you're going to get every day inside LiveCops. We can give you the exact filters, the mentorship. We've got detailed guides, video tutorials, and mentorship options to master tools just like Keepa. And you can join our community completely for free and get your account set up and start learning the basics today. And then from there, if you want the full power of LiveCops, the deal bots, the advanced training, the one-to-one support, and everything else, then our £49 a month premium membership is what you need. And I promise you, it will pay for itself within the first few deals. You can head down below to the video description and click the link at the top, and that's where you can start scaling your business today.